Imagine a home where modern design meets the untamed power of nature. Crafted with high-quality, eco-friendly materials for a seamless blend. Inside, discover an open-concept sanctuary bathed in natural light. Ascend to your private retreat, where every detail is designed for serenity. Wake up to this, a master suite with a front-row seat to nature's daily show. Your own private balcony, where the forest meets the falls. This is more than a house, it's a connection.